less than a week or 2 weeks, ginawa niya yung buong libreto.
Nirewrite ako
The whole play.
Musical. Talagang ko, wala halos office to rin. Pero yung mas imbustad songs. Ito na naman, ginagawa naman for several reasons, including obviously budgetary constraints, masyadong nakalang stage ng musical, no? So, pero sa akin naman yung mga nagawang music na no? So, i-try to
Inugbenta namin.
inumbine. Kaya in fact, when they asked me to rewrite some chords, sabi ko, I'm working with 3 different materials. Ano ba talaga sabihin nyo, gawin nyo ng major, lahat ng ilatag nyo ng lahat ng tell me, ano yung mga gusto nyo itaglag kasi wala na ko na I'm working with 3 different scripts already.
Pero lahat naman yung galing sa kanya.
Ano ba talaga gusto mong gawin ngayon? Para, kasi they only gave me like how many, less than 1 week to do the rewrites. Parang, I have a life of my own.
And would you believe, 12 days lang kami nag-rehearse? 3 days doon, music rehearsal, 9 days sa akin. And then show na kagad sa iyo. Pero double session.
That was last year, no? Was
Yeah,
that last? Ngayon?
Ay, 3 months yung last year.
Ano yung double session?
For 8 hours. 1 to 8.
7 hours.
O, parang gano'n. Basta nag-off na kami for 8 hours. Instead of doing it for 18 days, kasi nga, traffic, cost cutting kami sa pamasahe, sa food, sa budget, sa lahat, double session mo sa ganyan. Pero 9 working days na.